How can I hear someone blasting their music from their car 32 floors up? I just don't understand. Hi everyone, so today is my second Broadway beauty look, and I did Mean Girls on Broadway, if you couldn't guess. It's a very pink, monochromatic look, pink blush, pink eyes, pink lips, pink shirt. And yeah, this is sort of the whole look. It's very, very plastics, full coverage, a lot going on here. And yeah, I just wanted to do this look. I was very inspired by pink right now. I was just kind of feeling that vibe. And right now I'm going to try to do all of the musicals nominated for Best Musical. So Mean Girls was nominated, and SpongeBob, The Band's Visit, and Frozen, I think. Those were the top 4. So I'm going to do looks for all of those shows. And this is the first one for the Tony nominations. If you guys want to see another specific musical next, let me know. And yeah, this is the look, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my skin. I'm going to use Benefit Porefessional. When I think of Mean Girls, I think, like, for skin, like, wise, I think, like, super matte, but, like, really flawless skin. Like, I'm really trying to, like, picture it in, like, a version of, like, the plastics almost. Like, that's what I'm taking inspiration from. And I just really, like, picture it, oh jeez, as being, like, very matte, like, no dewy. Like, they, like, almost want you to know that they're wearing makeup. Like, that's kind of, like, I don't know, that's the vibe that I'm trying to, like, get off of, like, basically. It's just, like, the idea of, like, they can, like, afford to have, like, really good skin, but still wear, like, really matte makeup, you know? I don't know. Maybe that didn't make sense. And then, after, you know, making sure we have no pores because they're flawless, I'm going to use the Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation because, again, I just feel like that's kind of what they're going for. And I'm just spraying it a little bit with this Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. I've been really loving this. So that's just going to dampen our sponge a bit. And I'm going to use that to apply my foundation. I used the whole thing that I poured out basically because I really want this to be very full coverage matte makeup. So I used all of the foundation that I poured out. And now I'm going to do concealer, and I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape in light. I want there to be no imperfections. And then I'm going to blend that out. We're really going for a highlighted under eye, as you can see. Full coverage. And I'm going to use Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And then I'm setting everywhere else on the face because I don't want any lines, anything. I basically want us to be frozen in time. For eyes, I'm going to set them all over using the Too Faced Just Peachy palette, using Peach Meringue. I'm just going to set. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a dramatic eye, so first I'm just going to define the crease a little bit, and I'm going to use a mix of Just Peachy and Peach Tea, just to get a transition shade going on there. I'm gonna brighten up the lid using a mix of NYX's Nude Pearl Mania pigment and Stila's Magnificent Metals Metallic Pixie Dust. I'm just gonna mix them together and then apply it all over the eye. And I'm going to use Inglot's Duraline on the back of my hand, just so we can get a good old mix going. I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. It just became this very like shimmery, like pinkish rose gold kind of thing. So that got like pretty chunky on the eye, which is a really gross description word after I said that. So I'm gonna try to apply it with my fingers and just blend it out and see if maybe that'll help. So I'm gonna blend out the edges with just Peachy. And now what I'm going to do is the part of this look that's going to be a little hard. But I'm going to take Jeffree Star's Rose Madder liquid lipstick and a really thin eyeliner brush, and I'm going to do a wing. Oh wait, I want to brush away my bake first because this might become a little bit of a crazy wing. So I'm going to do a wing with this, and yeah, these are eye safe, which is why I'm using them, by the way. That wing is really long, but you know, it is what it is now. I don't know what my next move is with the eyeliner, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my lower part of my eye. So I'm going to take Peach Punch, and I'm just going to really just like smoke that out. I'm going to go for a black eyeliner in the waterline. And I'm going to take Peach Sangria, which is this color, on a flat brush and just get that really close to the lash line. I'm going to do Sugarpill's Saint Lashes, just because I really like these. And so I'm going to go off camera and apply these and then come back to sort of finish up the look. For the inner corner, I'm going to take Stila Magnificent Metal liquid thing in Kitten Karma, and it's just like a pink glitter, and that's gonna go on the inner part of the eyeball, and then to sort of just like juice it out a little bit, I'm gonna take Colourpop's Golden State of Mind palette, and I'm gonna take the color Unsupervised, which is like, it's this color right here, and we're gonna put that on top just to give it a little bit more sparkle, you know. And then that's the eyes basically done. For like the face, I'm gonna really bronze it up using Colourpop's Private Party. Really just want to make it very bronzy. I'm going to take the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going to take the color Spoiled, just because that's a very like pink blush. And then for highlight, I'm going to take the Nicole Guerriero palette from Anastasia. And I'm going to take the shade Kitty Cat because it's a pink highlight and, well, they wear pink. So, taking this shade right there. They don't make this palette anymore, which makes me kind of want to scream, but. Lips, I'm going to take the same Jeffree Star color, which is in Rose Madder, and just apply that. And I did like a thick overdraw, but I'm kind of loving it. Not for every day, like no way for every day, but for this look I feel like an overline was a little bit like necessary, just because I was going for the plastics and like their look is very plastic, you know. This is my Mean Girls inspired look. It's this little winged eyeliner moment, monochromatic sort of pink situation with a little pink shirt. And yeah, this is my second little Broadway beauty look inspired by Mean Girls on Broadway. Go buy tickets, go see it. I want to see it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what other Broadway shows you guys want to see. Let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video.